Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you the simple basic phrase bass line you should be applying on simple chord progression. Okay, if you are interested and you want to boost up your play in playing simple Pentecostal praise, this is the right lesson for you. Okay, I also do private class lesson. If you think this lesson I'm about to teach you is too hard for you, I can make it so easy on my private lesson. Okay, so you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So we'll be doing a Pentecostal praise bass line, and I'll try to break them down very easy for you. Okay, the most important thing you need to do is learn it very well, master them, memorize them, and try to use them in any simple Pentecostal praise you find out there. Okay, so I'll be playing the song bit by bit, and I'll be breaking them down easily for you to understand. Okay, so what I was playing here was very simple. Me wonya me. So from your 1 chord progression to your 4 chord progression, what are you to play there? So 1 1 1 4, then you come back to the 1 1 1 6. Okay, so this was what I did. Me, you understand? You have your 1, you play your 5 and your higher octave. So it goes like this. Doom, do, do. Okay, 1 5 1. Then now you go into the 4. So you do 3 4 and your 4. Me wonya me. So you make sure that you end at the right timing. You understand? Okay, so now from your 4 to your 5, after you done playing, so what are you going to play on the 1? Like going to the 1. So 4 5 6 7 1. You understand? Okay, so when you play it fully, so now you be going to the 6. So 4 5 6 7 1. So to my 3. So I'm using a 3 triad. So you have your 3, you have your 5 and your 7, your 3 major triad. You understand? Okay, so you plug the 3 like 2 times. Okay, but the first block will be a ghost note. Okay, then 5 7, then I'll be playing your 6 6 and 6. So you just need to learn them very well. You understand? Okay, me. You understand? Okay, so now let me continue. What I did here was, so you're going to do this 2 times, 2 rows, 1 and 2. So that is 3 3 6 3 6. So 3 3 6 3 6, then 2 6 2. Then you come to your 6, then to your 2, then you come to the 5. So it's gonna be 5 note, 5 5 5 5 5. Then you play 1 5 1. You understand? So when you don't play 4 4, you understand? Okay, let me do as if I'm ending so that you don't get confused on the next line I'm about to play. So oh training sir, so nisa. So that is from your 1 to your 4. Remember, 5 6 7 1. Then you descend 7 6 5 1. Okay, if you're using the 4th string, then you be going to the 4. Okay, 5 6 7 1 7 6 5 1. Nisa. You understand? Then you'll be going back to the 1, just like the first one. 5, 6, 7, 1. So I did a bass line over here. That is a 3 to a 6 groove you can apply. So 1. So you come to your 6 here. 6, 2, 2 sharp, 3. And 3, then 6, 6. So you have to be fast. Okay, you understand? So now to the 2. So when you don't play 7, 1, then you'll be going to the 2 and 5. 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 5, 5, 1. But you need to be fast on the 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 4. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 5, 5, 1. You understand? Okay. So let me play it. That is another bass line. So, oh Kamihu. So that is on the 5. Misuro BB. So that is 6, 6, 7, 7, 1 progression. So this was how I went to the 5. Okay, so you'll be sliding from the higher one. 7, 6. You can do 2, 5, or you can do your 5 flat 5. So when you do the 5, that is 5, 7, 5, 7, 5. Okay. So the first 5 note will be 2 times. 5, 2 flat 2. Then you have your 5 flat 5. Then you have your 6, 7, 1. You understand? So just take it slow. Then 6, 2, 1, 7, 5, 1. So I did something here going to the 4. Let me teach you that. 6, 1, 6, 7, 5, 1. Then I went to the 4. 6, 1, 6, 7, 5, 1, 5, 1. Then 1, 5, 1. Then my 4, my 7 flat. Okay. Then I played 5, 6, 5, then 4. Okay, you understand? So you need to learn this very well. 4, then 6, 6. I'm doing the octave 6, root 6. Then 2, 2, 6, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5. Then 1, 6, 7, 6, 5, 5. Then 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1. You understand? 4, 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 2, 2, 2, 2. Just like that. You understand? Okay. So if you don't want to play, you can do you understand? So on the 4, Nyami tofu yeyi na na na. You can do it throughout the song or that progression. So 4, 4. Then you play your 7 flat. You have your 3 flat, 2, 1. You do it that way. Then to your 5, 5 5 1 4 3 2. The same shape you do to all the progression into your 1 1 1 4 7 flat 6 5 1 1 4 7 flat 6 5. You do it to all the progression. Okay, so I'm going to play the bass line fully so that you can listen again, and if in case you got confused in any part, you can still rewatch the video and go through it again. Okay. Okay, so these are the simple bass line you can be using on simple chord progression. Just pick 1 or 2 progression, master it very well, like let's say 2 5 1. You understand? Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.